candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, confused and torn.
In 2024, approximately 138 million children were engaged in child labor. Of these, 54 million children were involved in hazardous work. Agriculture is the largest sector for child labor with 61%, followed by domestic work, services with 27%, and industry with 13%. Boys have a higher participation rate in child labor across all age groups. The causes of child labor include poverty, lack of quality education, lack of social protection, conflict, and emergency.
Your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the light.